Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo!
I'm the captain speaking. Before we start, I would like everyone to stand up for our national anthem. By the way, my name is The Flash, and I'll be your host for today.
Toilet flush daw! Toilet flush!
Alright, before I start, I would like to acknowledge honorary guest member na sumali sa atin ngayon, si Sherwin and Mike. I hope we see you sa next namin, mga games.
Hindi na guess yan, members na yung mga...
Yun!
Members na.
And syempre kay Kuya Roy. Kuya Roy! Lionhead buka. Pipila kayo, pipila. Ano to? Bulutan. Thank you.
Hindi ba yan? Bakit? Aninom mo? Nangyaka? Nakagaw na kayo nila, Jason. Yung pala yung sa akin.
Just a little bit of history for Power Boys. We started, like a few of us. Me, Rick, Jeff, and Price. Is Price still here? So,
Paano sa business?
by the way, I'm handicapped 40 before 43. Now I'm like 41.
No!
After 7 years, I'm still there. It's all about fun, right? It's not about the score. But to some people, it's more competitive. But that's just my excuse, actually. Ooh, okay. Those are the coasters.
Posters mo na, ano?
And I would like to acknowledge, syempre, yung mga misis namin. Acknowledge you guys for not nagging everything.
Ano yung mga kwento mo? Galit siya kahapon. Saan mo galit siya kahapon? Saan mo galit siya?
Without you guys, golf is not fun. Who would take care of our kids? Without you.
Yay! Wait, where are they?
Who would caress us if our score is above 40 plus?
MVP! No yung MVPs!
Kayo ang aming pampalubag loob after bad games. So thank you. I just want to acknowledge you guys. We love you and thank you. And more
Doon
golf
na nilalabas sa aggression.
And sa mga walang asawa dito, we understand. Ayun yung malaman yung sikreto natin. But that's okay. So I guess I'm gonna keep it rated PG because may mga kids tayo. So it's not like before na sobrang wild. So okay, we're gonna start now for our award. Alright.
Nag-picture ba ba? Yeah. Nandun yung camera ka, Missy.
Oh, by the way, thank you, Brian, for doing this posters. It's like the best.
Ay, no. May bayad daw yan.
Oh, yes.
Oh, may
Thank
bayad,
you for
sabi ko, may
the
bayad.
shirts. It's awesome.
Kasi may bayad. Kasi rin.
Yung Parboys, first Parboy shirt namin we're hoping na dapat
Continue.
mabili panalo. Dapat kami yung panalo kasi nakalimutan. No, that's okay.
Best uniform.
And we're gonna have more merchandise if you guys want to, support Ryan. Ryan is our main man for printing and stuff. And you guys too. So
Yes!
that's what we do. We support each other for whatever hassle. and business that we have. So kung meron kayong mga business na gustong i-promote, sabihin nyo sa akin. Yung in charge for PH.
Baka walang hobby mo.
Wow!
Pag walang hobby.
Wala yung pangalan.
Meron, dalawa.
Nakita mo yung wala.
Oh.
Most friendly.
Club lens. Open.
Okay, I'm gonna start with...
Yan, nasa ano yun.
Oh, where's our CEO? Oh, CEO stayed for the day, okay? So, ibigay ko na para ano. Christ Reyes, our CEO.
Yeah!
Boys, champion. Liempo Silogka.
Yeah! Picture!
Ano ba, we start calling our cup, yung mga ulam, mga paboritong ulam ng bawat member. So, kung meron kayo gusto i-suggest, we will do that. So,
Picture! Yeah!
susunod natin pag-cup. Wow! Okay. Oscar Makalasing, let's go!
Oh, title mo na! Ano title?
Oscar, siya yung nilulook up namin nung bago pa lang kami kasi siya yung pinakamagaling sa amin.
Ano yung title? What do you call it?
So, champion Adobo Cup.
Yeah!
Kung wala kasi dati, wala pa siya nakukuha. Yan yun. Adobo Cup. Okay. For our champion, paborito ko to, Caldereta Cup. Ang aming presidente. Jules Martinez, let's go! Congratulations, bro.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Itong guy na to, unang first time na sumama sa amin, I told you that's the first time, right? Tapos siya pa agad yung nanalo. Pero wala naman nagkaroon ng protesta kasi hindi sila magkakaroon ng go up sa live. So, champion ng Paris Cup, si Kuya Roy Dagan! Napanggal ko mga misis namin, hindi kumapalat pa. Yun! Congratulations!
Combo yung dalawa, combo. Pag magkapato, combo.
Oh, combo, okay.
Pag magkapato.
Ito talaga, competitive itong taong to. Sa nakalaro ko, talagang seryoso. Mamba mentality! Mamba, let's go! Sisig Cup champion! Congratulations, Brian! Let's go! Let's go! Congrats, bro.
Sino bias mo? Combo yan, combo lang.
Ang dami nating gastos dyan, ha? Lord, ano mga announcement, donation, we're accepting
Oo,
donation.
ito pala kasi ito, itong ano namin, nagagaling na sa mga bulsa namin. Kasi gusto namin talaga supportahan si Brian. Binayaran niyo na ba si Brian? So, hindi kami nangihingi sa mga tournament actually. Nanunutok lang kami ng padalo. Hindi, wala. It's all for fun talaga kung meron kayo bibigay na may bola, ganyan. Tapos kinapulot lang ako, pataas kami. Kasi mawawala ko lang naman sa tubig. So, that's fun.
MC Bobby!
So, yeah, so itong yung Power Boys, kasi Power Boys is actually all for fun para makalaro lang tayo na yung with, yung mga, especially mga goal namin na laging gusto may competition, may piso-piso, may $1, lalo na si Jeff. Si Kuya Roy, mukhang magkaroon ng hasa ng piso. So sa mga ano,
Kailangan may donation, half-half.
huwag kayo papadali sa mga yan.
Pauto, sabi mo.
Huwag kayo papauto sa mga yan. Kala mo, uubusin yung 25 cents mo na mga yan. Kaya mag-iingat kayo. At ito pala si isa rin nakakalala namin tayo sa mga original to. Si nawala na. Ewan ko bakit minsan naging inactive eh. Siya yung champion ng Tinola Cup at saka Giniling Cup. Dalawa. Siya rin yung nag-champion sa first cup namin, yung unang
2022.
yeah. Congratulations, Chris Tadiosa! It's a treat pag nakakalaro na namin ito ngayon kasi sobrang busy.
Bakit busy? Bakit
Bakit
wala?
busy? Busy. Sino nagpapabusy sa'yo? Sabi ko sana, sa gaba ng mga okay. Ito.
Yan gusto ko.
Sa mga tinitingala ko rito dahil malupit din to. Malupit din mga asar. Kaya, hindi nyo pa nakikilala si Joseph, siya yung prodigy neto. Kaya, pag nang-asar to, sagad hanggang buto. Kaya, pero sanay na kami. Kaya, isa to sa mga magagaling sa amin sa Marcos. So, champion ng Siligang Cup, my favorite also. At saka, Osam for some. Let's go for Angry Birdies and Jeff Lunaria. Sino kasama yung Angry Birdies? Congratulations, El Jefe! Eto, si Master Shifu. Siya yung nag-aayos sa mga swing ko every time na nakita niya may mali. And I really appreciate that. Siya yung champion ng Lugaw Cup. Lugaw Cup. Kuya Manny Abanto. Congratulations, Kuya Manny. May speech ka ba?
Wala ka na sasabihin kay Marlon?
Nagpalito ako ng sabi makasing ako ng todo. Actually, si Percy kinulat ako eh. Iyan ako pala.
Ganun gusto ni Marlon.
Twist mo pa, sabi sa akin.
Hindi ka na
Okay, so Angry Birdies, yung Awesome Force champion din.
Sino?
Kayo nag-present niyo yun.
Kasama pala ako doon.
Ikaw magkusap sa kanya.
Ako yung pain nila, ako yung pinapauna para pag
Gusto mo? Brian ka magkusap.
Ako pa na.
Okay, so ang ating last poster para sa ating mamahaling MC, the best MC, Marlon Murray for Holding One! 16, 2024, and member of Angry Birdies, Awesome Foursome Champion.
Marlon! Sabi ni Kuya Roy, paano ka raw naka-all one? All one yan, sabi niya.
May nakaiwan ng bola mo. Hindi nila alam, hindi ko bola yun. Well, congratulations, winners. Okay. Now, yung pinaka
Honest golfer.
most honest golfer kasi hindi siya hindi niya kinakahiya yung mga may max step kasi.
What up, Joseph?
Pero hindi pa siya nakaka-max 10. Pero yung skill level set niya magaling siya. Pero pag yung... Kasi... golf is a gentleman's game, right?
Yes.
And unfortunately, there are a few people na syempre...
Sino ba sinasabi mo?
Hindi, may mga ganun talaga. Pero naman tayo as a personality. It's not really there for sometimes, you know, people being competitive, they would, you know, have a little bit of, maybe, is that considered a white lie? So,
White lie?
white lies, but let's keep it real. That's all I always say.
Sino ba? Initials.
We all-
Initials. Ano ba initials?
No attacks, no personal attacks. Just, we're all having fun and hopefully we're all being honest as well. Because like I said, golf is a gentleman's game. We would like to keep it that way, the integrity. So this honest giveaway, the most honest person, is I would like to give it to Jake.
Hindi, brother.
Jake.
Kay Papi ang bibigay mo yan sa kanya.
They can share. They're both honest anyway.
No, Rick, you do it. Okay.
Oh, simple lang.
Sa baba.
So we got the first closest to the pin. Congratulations. Also, yung honorary guest member namin. Congratulations. Wow.
Hindi ka na ibibigay sa kanya doon.
Congratulations, Mike B. Mike. Congratulations, Mike.
Picture.
Longest drive. Akala ko mananalo. You know you almost won, bro. Okay, just to... Chris got the almost won the longest drive of... Was that like 80 yards? Because everybody missed the fairway and the last person, last group I mean, who got it, well, di ako nagtataka dito. Kuya Roy!
Yeah!
Sa layan din ko eh. Congratulations nga, Kuya Roy.
Bigyan mo yung papel sa kanya.
Limit daw yung pagkano ko.
Overage. May senior discount?
Yeah, who's there?
Bayaran mo kaya.
Alright, next!
Thank you. Alright, sa ating mga champion, congratulations. This just proved na kayo ang isa sa mga the best. Isa sa mga the best that they, for our 30 cup. So we try to do this annually. We have like different cups na mga major event, major tournament for our group. And ipa-plug ko ulit sino may gusto mag-donation. Donation ni Kuya Marian, ito donation ni June, yung iba hindi pa sa sa fans, si Price, yung mga iba nag-aano ng bola. So, ayun, maski one fans sa live, okay lang po. Pwede lang yun. At ang gabi namin ng maluwag sa aming kalooban. Joke lang kayo.
Okay, marami.
And i-acknowledge ko rin pala yung mga yung walang sawa. Si June, lagi siya kasi, alam mo yung convenience na pupunta ka na lang sa course. You don't have to book anything. Si El Jefe, masipag it's like, he's like a hawk, getting the tea time. Alam niyo naman kung minsan, di ba, mahirap yung kumuha ng mga first booking for the weekends. So I just would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge these guys that organized this thing. And syempre si CEO na minsan sinasabi ni Jun walang silbi Jun.
I didn't say that.
I didn't say that. I said that.
I didn't say it once. I said many times.
No, CEO is always trying his best. He's organizing also a lot of our major. He actually organizes the trophy and sana lang minsan nandito siya. No, CEO folks, maraming salamat ha. Like, alam mo naman, pag nagdiroan kami niya talaga parang
Yes.
rock and roll. We appreciate you. Sino pa ba may nakalimutan pa ako na Si Rick. Salamat sa mga lives. Nakagol pa ako ng marami dahil sa iyo. Okay, for our main award for tonight, this afternoon. Pasensya na po pala sa mga kumakain ha, kung nawalan kayo ng gana sa amin. Alright, so we decided to have a different tier for skill level set. Kasi syempre hindi naman fair, lalo na para sa aming mga hindi naman talaga marunong mag-ball, gusto lang magsaya. So we have the tier 1 and tier 2. Although may mga tier 2 na hindi dapat nandun. Nag gusto lang maka-champion para makatulog. Brian.
I like it, Doc. Give it up for MC. That's MC ever.
No, this is well deserved though. Like, you know, he got that. Well, when I first met Brian, he got that. Like the Mamba mentality that I always say. Kasi idol niya talaga si the Black Mamba. Let's go. And he well deserved to. Kasi nagpa-practice to. Pag natutulog na yung pamilya niya, pumupunta siya sa tracer. Nagtatatlong oras siya ng isa. And it paid off. And he actually, he claimed it before we even started. He said, I'm gonna take this one. And I know how you work hard for this one, bro. And congratulations, my man. You deserve this. Congratulations, bro.
Sabel. Nagulat na pa.
You're so proud. Congratulations, Brian Giserano.
Woo, let's go.
Bigyan ako, ha? For our 2024 Turkey World Champion by Par Boys. Good choice. Ang ganda ng napili mo, CEO.
Sabi mo walang selfie CEO. Ikaw talaga oh.
Sabi mo mga pulis. It's nice. Congratulations, to my Shibu, Master Shibu, Maria Banto! Yes! Yan, trophy mo kapag senior eh. Congrats! Alright.
Say hi to Joseph.
Now
Ano
to-
si Joseph eh?
Si Joseph, nanonood.
Oh, Joseph, what up, dude? You're supposed to sing here, man. Okay, so to end our ceremony, we decided that each individual would come up on stage to sing one song. So we'll start from this side. And we can't say no. So,
Ikaw na lang, no?
pwede ba tayo mag-ano? Hindi pa ako makain.
Good job, Lon. Good job.
Anybody wants to see, thank you, boss. Maraming salamat sa mic. And Intramuros pala, thank you for letting us
That's fine.
use your mic.
Good job, Lon. Champion muna, oh. Signing up.